Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r c:, and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c:, and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c:/ bcd backup. Then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.